gonna get a new puppy today. Don't worry about my hair, I just woke up. I don't know what's happening to it, but I hate my hair. But I'm getting a new puppy. We're going to Petland today for that Shiba Inu that I wanted. And look at Mittens. She looks like she does not even care. She's like, what the hell? She's over there. I bet when we bring the puppy in, Jelly is, I get their names mixed up all the time. Sorry if I said Mittens is Jelly and Jelly is Mittens, but this is Jelly going to scratch her fur, the puppy's fur off. Like she did to Mittens over here. She did this to Mittens. Do you see that on her back? Half of her fur is ripped off from the stupid black and white cat that we never want to get. The stupidest cat in here. Look, she looks like she's high or something. She always looks like that in the sun. She looks like she's high. But we're getting a new puppy today. I hope my mom lets me bring my camera to Petland so I can show you. Anyway, let's get started with our day. I don't really know what to do. Meow. Okay, you guys see this. Her fur is ripped off. But we need to take her to the vet. I'm watching preschool videos. So it's this ghost of happening again. And it's not, I'm not lying. I'm not even lying. Okay, yesterday I couldn't make a video because I felt like something was right there. But anyway, I felt like I was too scared to make a video at night because I am going to be in the basement right now. But okay, this happened in the basement. Right here in the basement. It's not supposed to be like this. Let me put my shoes on. Ah! Don't mind about the camera. I filmed on a stupid tablet and I don't want to. And where are my freaking flip-flops? But anyway, it happened in the basement. And now if you can look at my first video, you can tell that my eyes were actually green. I have real green eyes. People say my eyes look brown, but they're not. They're green. I'm mixed. But it happened right in this basement right here. So the bike right here, I was just sitting on the steps right there, and the bike was like this. It just did this. It tried to move. Look, it made that sound. It wasn't Jelly or Mittens because neither of them were down here. And she's just all on that carpet looking there, like someone's there or something. Look, she has her fur up on her back. Like, we don't know what is wrong with this house, but we need to move. I just woke up and I don't want to make a stupid video.
But we're going to get a Shiba Inu puppy. I'll see you at Petland. Bye.